What's going on YouTube? In today's series we've got our Super Bowl edition again. This is episode 2. We've got chicken wings that we're going to be throwing on my newest portable pellet grill, and this is the Asmoke 300. I'm excited to give this thing a shot. Again, we're rolling chicken wings, and when I think about the Super Bowl or any tailgate event, we've got to have some wings. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Literally, we're going to throw these wings on and just see how this Asmoke does and then give them a try. Y'all stick around. Alright everybody, that is some simple dry rub chicken wings on my newest portable pellet grill, the Asmoke 300. Their information will be down below in the description box. Get you some dry rub, make you some wings. I was completely impressed with the smoky flavor and the skin on those wings, so make sure you like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.